How to fix cellular issue. Your iPhone is currently unable to access cellular data and make and receive calls. Let's get started. Open your settings. The very first thing you want to do is toggle on for this option of airplane mode. Now wait for 60 seconds and toggle it off. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, scroll down, open the option general, scroll all the way down, click on the option shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to power off your phone and again turn it back. Restarting your device might also fix this problem. Heading towards next solution, open the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on the option reset. Click on reset network settings. Enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. And then you can check your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, you have to eject the SIM card and reinsert it. Remove the SIM card from your device, wait for 20 seconds and reinsert it. Then check whether you can access cellular data or not. Now heading towards very last solution, you have to first restart your iPhone. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Once you apply all these processes, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix cellular issue. Your iPhone is currently unable to access cellular data and make and receive calls. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.